Enjoy ultimate comfort with minimal effort when you install your exciting new FH Group seat covers. Our universal design makes for a smooth and effortless transition. In this video, we will show you the process step by step. The full set includes 2 bottom seat covers, 2 backrest covers, and 2 headrests. Also included are 8 butterfly discs and 4 metal clips for installation. Basic setup can begin before you install the covers in the vehicle. The backrest cover has 2 elastic loops. Insert a butterfly disc through each loop of the bottom side of the cover. You are looking at the top of the seat bottom cushion. Flip it over and you will see 4 elastic loops. Attach butterfly discs to the back side and attach metal clips to the front side. Now you are ready to begin the seat cover installation. Start by slipping the cover over the headrest and around the front bucket seat. Then push the butterfly discs through the crevice of the seat bottom to secure it to the back side. Next, slip the bottom seat cover over the seat bottom. Push the butterfly discs through the crevice to secure it to the back side. Now at the top of the seat and under the headrest, use the hook and loop strap and fasten it to the hook and loop underside. Then use the zippers to secure the cover in place around the headrest. Next, secure the seat cushion to the seat bottom by connecting the metal clips to the underside of the seat for a secure fit. Last but not least, attach the headrest covers to the headrest with the buckle clip straps. It's that simple. You'll find that these versatile covers offer your vehicle vital protection and much more. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your simple to install seat cushions.